You are a student, a fresher, or someone who wants to enter the tech field and you feel confused between cloud, AWS, AI, or machine learning, then this video can genuinely save your time and your career direction. Every single day, we hear different advices. Some people says learn AWS, some people says AI is the future, and some says coding is enough. But But the real problem is that nobody explains the correct learning order. In this video, I will clearly explain a step-by-step cloud and AI career roadmap that works in the real industry, not just on YouTube. Hello everyone, my name is Krishna and you are watching Cloud with Krishna. On this channel, I explain cloud computing, AWS, AI, and career roadmaps in a very simple and practical way, especially for the students and beginners. I don't believe in fake motivation or unrealistic promises. I believe in clarity, consistency, and long term growth. If you are serious about building a strong tech career, make sure you subscribe to the channel because this journey takes time and I will guide you step by step. Let me ask you something honestly. When you open YouTube or LinkedIn, do you feel overwhelmed by too much information? One person says you must learn Python first. Another person says cloud is more important. Someone else says AI will replace all jobs. Because of confusion, many beginners start learning everything together. And after some time, they feel tired. And biggest mistake here is trying to learn cloud and AI at the same time without any foundation. Cloud and AI are connected, but they are not meant to be learned together in the beginning. So, for you, I have built a step by step roadmap to avoid confusion and build skill in the right order. Before touching cloud or AI, you need a strong technical foundation. This foundation is not about advanced coding, it is about understanding how computers and the internet actually work. In phase one, you should focus on these things basic computer and internet knowledge. In this, you should clearly understand what servers are, how websites load, and how data travels from one system to another through the internet. Second is basic networking concepts in which learn what an IP address is, how DNS works, and why protocols like HTTP and HTTPS are important for communication between systems. Third one is Linux fundamentals. In this, you should know how files and folders works in Linux, how to use basic commands, and why most servers runs on Linux instead of Windows. And fourth one is basic programming knowledge. Learn simple program Learn simple Python concepts like variable, loops, and functions, just enough to understand the logic and automation. This, this foundation phase usually takes around 2 to 3 months and it makes everything later much easier. Once your foundation is ready, now you can confidently move to cloud computing and especially AWS. Cloud is the backbone of almost every modern application today, including websites, mobile apps, and even AI systems. As a beginner, you should focus only on core AWS services. Like first one is EC2, which is used for virtual servers. In this, learn how cloud servers are created, how applications runs on them, and why companies prefer virtual servers over physical machines. Second one is ES3, which is used for cloud storage. In this, you should understand how data is stored securely in the cloud and how companies manage large amount of data. Third one is IAM, which is used for security and access management. In this, you should learn how AWS controls who can access what and why security is one of the most important responsibilities of a cloud engineer. Fourth one is VPC, which is used for networking in the cloud. In this, you should understand how cloud network works, how system communicates securely, and how traffic flows inside the cloud. Last but not the least, which is RDS, and which is used for managing the databases. In this, you should learn how databases are managed in the cloud and why companies use managed services instead of handling everything manually. Why learn cloud before AI? First of all, AI runs on cloud infrastructure. Second is scalability is essential. Third is real world system uses AWS. And fourth is job demand cloud skills first. This cloud phase usually takes 3 to 4 months, and during this time, you should focus on understanding concepts, not memorizing steps. After learning cloud computing, you are now in a much better position to start AI and machine learning. Many people directly jump into AI, but they struggle because they don't understand where AI systems actually run. AI models need servers, storage, and scalability, which are all provided by the cloud. In this phase, focus on the following. First one is Python for data and AI. In this, you should improve your Python knowledge so you can work with the data, clean it, and understand how AI programs are written. Second is required math for AI. In this, learn basic statistic and simple linear algebra concept only as much as needed to understand how model works. Third one is machine learning fundamentals. In this, you should understand what supervised and unsupervised learning means and learn common models like regression and decision trees. Fourth one is AI on cloud platforms, means AI on AWS. In this, you should learn how AI models are trained, deployed, and used through cloud platforms like AWS. This phase usually takes 4 to 6 months, depend on your learning speed and consistency. Now let's talk about jobs because this is the most people care about. Yes, freshers can get jobs in the cloud and AI, but not just by collecting certificates. Companies look for people who understand concepts, can explain their work, and have built small practical projects. Your first goal should be entry level roles like cloud associate, cloud support, or AI intern, not high level positions. Growth happens with the experience and consistency, not overnight success. There are some common mistakes that we should avoid. First one is starting AI without learning basic first, which creates confusion later. Second is buying too many courses and never completing them. Second is watching videos without practicing or building projects. Fourth one is comparing your journey with the others and losing motivation. Fifth one is quitting when progress feels slow. I want to tell you one honest truth that is tech career rewards people who stays consistent even when results are not immediately visible. If you have watched this video till the end, it clearly means you are serious about your career. Cloud and AI are long-term career path, and if you follow the right sequence, you can build a strong future. On this channel, I will teach everything step by step, starting from the basics and moving towards the advanced topics. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Cloud with Krishna, and comment Cloud so I know you are a part of the journey. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.